Hello everyone, Ponzi here. Today we're going to be making Saltzspyre from Vermintide 2. My plan with this miniature is to remove the hand, the moustache, and then make his hat longer, as identified here. It's a pretty decent sculpt, there's a fair bit of detail. It's not quite the exact clothes that Saltzspyre wears, but generally that doesn't matter. You just want a witch hunter model. So I've started by cutting away the moustache here and just looking at the model for anything else. This was when I was still planning. This is just some green stuff. Plenty of tutorials online, the best way to do this. I like to have a bit of water on hand just to smooth out any of the finger texture that will be picked up. So after applying green stuff and letting that set a little bit, I wait till it was a bit more tacky till I applied a bit more at the hat, the more thinner bit, which would be more likely to be squished on my finger. Now going over with water again, trying to get the right dimension, using a flat bit of my knife here to smooth out the surface, and now I'm clipping off the hand. After clipping off the hand, I clean up some of the markings of the where the head was attached to the cloak itself. Tried to make it look as flat as possible. And I've got several different guns that are from an old Warhammer kit. I'm not sure which kit these are, probably Pistoliers. In the end I opted for the big double barrel, which is to me the most aesthetically pleasing on the model, and just checking to see if the hand size was similar, which it is. And after it had been glued in place, I used a little bit of green stuff around the joint of the hand just to make the transition smooth. I tried to cover up as much as the cloak that had been cut with the gun. I thought that was the best bit. So here I am sculpting some of the green stuff onto where the hand is, just trying to make a seamless transition of the hand to the glove which he's already wearing, so it still looks like a glove. After I was happy with that, let it all dry overnight, and then came back the next day to sand it. As you can see, on the right hand side is it all primed, and on the left hand side is the piece of artwork that I used to get inspiration for the type of shape. This is the concept art from the first game. And I'm not the greatest painter, but after it was painted it looked a bit like this. I even painted the little vial as a green potion colour, which is akin to what you'd get in the game. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be doing more Vermintide characters in the future. Thanks for watching.